guys, it's your girl Shalae. I'm back today with another video. In today's video, we're going to discuss the child tax credit and what to expect in 2025. We have state child tax credits as well, and a whole lot more. So if you want to know where the money resides, you already know what to do. Stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, hi, hello, hey, friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below, and you're in just like that. So while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like, especially if you let me bring in this content. Now, guys, you can try on Amazon Prime free for 30 days by clicking the link above in the cards, or I'll put it down in the description box, as well as now you can shop my looks, guys. You can shop everything that I'm wearing in a video, from my nails to my outfit to makeup. I will go ahead and try to put timestamps, but if you look into the description box, it does have products in there as well. So I'm trying to make it easier for you guys. And thank you so much for your compliments, because y'all just, you're just too kind. You just make a girl feel like a lady. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about it, because as Republicans get ready to deliver a tax package for next year, a lot of prominent GOP lawmakers, they are really voicing their concerns to expand the child tax credit. And I'm with them. And you are too, I'm sure. So Vice President-elect J.D. Vance, he is in that camp for months. Remember, he floated around the idea of increasing the child tax credit up to $5,000, which would be a huge increase from the current level at $2,000. But now also, guys, this week, Republican Senator Josh Hawley from Missouri, he called for an expansion along those same lines. So he's now following in Vance's lead for this $5,000 child tax credit. Hawley stated President Trump won with the support of working people with kids. Next year, tax bill should provide a big tax cut. And he posted this all over his social media, referring to the president-elect's success with middle and low income voters in this year's White House race. And I agree with him. Now, a lot of experts are saying that it has a chance because Hawley has positioned himself as a leader within the Senate, and they added that they give this proposal to stand around a 50-50% chance. Now, there also could be just a small increase to the credit where people are a little, willing to bend a little bit more. But guys, even if they took the credit up to $3,000, that would still be great. We all know that the child tax credit paid as much as $3,600 per child in 2021. But this was a part of the Democrats' American Rescue Plan Act as well, where it had some monthly payments, but then it reverted back to $2,000 for the 2022 tax year as well. So I like it. And I mean, I hope that the $5,000 does have it. Now, in addition to the federal tax credit as well, 15 states and Washington, D.C., now they offer their own version of the state child tax credit. So you can check out with like state tax authorities, definitely to see if you qualify. I'll put a list on here as well. But the federal child tax credit is available to eligible children that are younger than the age of 17, and then 5 states are using that same cutoff for their own state child tax credit, but 6 other states have decided to go ahead and make their credits to children 6 and under. So it's a lot going on when it comes to state child tax credits. It's just best when you go to file your taxes, you look at it, or even call your accountant if you have one. Now, if you want to know some other changes that are going on with the IRS, I did just post a video talking about the IRS, where they're still giving out stimulus checks, and some things have changed as well. So definitely check out that video. But let's keep it moving with the state child tax credit, because Governor Tim Walz, hey, he has some things that are going on. So in Minnesota, they are offering the advance payment option for Minnesota's child tax credit. Now, guys, this is big, because as of right now, Minnesota is leading the nation when it comes to state child tax credit, and they're showing other states, and because they move so swiftly, now other states have joined in. But last week, Governor Tim Walz announced that families will have the option to go ahead and receive advance payments as well. So parents will be making or will be eligible to change for the upcoming tax filing season. And they said the goal of this nation leading tax credit is to lower child poverty as well as provide tax relief for working class families in Minnesota. So, with this advanced payment option, they're actually making it a lot easier for families to be able to manage their annual household budget. So, this new option, it will increase like financial freedom as well as ensure families have the support that they need all year long. What? Like, what? This is great because we know H&R Block and other agencies offer an advance option, but you got to pay, right? You got to pay a lot. But officials say that if a taxpayer chooses this advanced option during the upcoming filing season, then they will receive their full child tax credit for the current filing season, part of their following year credit in three advance payments that will be sent in the second half of 2025. And then the remaining part of their credit will be filed when they file next year income tax return. So, look, you can get a little bit of your money early in Minnesota. So, beginning with tax year 2024, taxpayers would qualify for their state child tax credit of $1,750 per qualifying child. They do not have a limit on the number of children claimed as well. This is a refundable credit, meaning that you can receive a refund even if you do not owe any tax as well. The only issue is you must file an individual tax return to go ahead and claim that credit. So, all my seasoned seniors and those that receive Social Security, a lot of years, they're like, hey, do I get this amount of money? You must be able to go ahead and file a tax return before you can receive that money as well. Let me know if you're in Minnesota. What do you think about your state giving you that advanced option, as well as for those that are not in Minnesota? Is this something that you would like to see with your state, or did you receive any payments? And this is all that we have when it comes to the child tax credit. But guys, we are getting started way ahead of time before tax season. So once we get through this holiday season, I'm sure we're going to know a lot more, as well as when the new administration probably is going to be a lot going on during the first half of the year, just because I've been feeling that a lot of things will change. And hopefully, one of those being where it benefits the American people, such as a $5,000 per child federal child tax credit as well. But let me know down in the comments, what do you think, as well as don't forget you can grab some Amazon Prime free for 30 days, as well as you can shop all my looks, guys. So anything that I'm wearing, makeup, clothes, hair, anything, definitely check that description box because I'll start making it a whole lot easier for you to be able to purchase those things. And let's go ahead and get things like started, huh? You know, hey, W-2s will be able to be used. And don't forget, like some companies right now are offering where you can take the end of the year W-2 and you can get it in advance on your taxes as well. But remember, that costs a lot of money. So keep that in mind. And as always, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you later, Gator. Bye, guys.